Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Android phone randomly vibrates. So simply for that, make sure you will have Android device and swipe up and just move in the journal settings. After here, we will just scroll down and just find the accessibility. So we will just get in. After here, you will see the advanced settings. So you will be just tap on it as well, and in the last you will see the looking for something else, repeat notification alert. So I will just tap on it as well and make sure you will be just turn it off. After you will be just turn it off, so you will be just no longer repeat notifications from your Android device. So that's the fixed problem for the Android phone randomly vibrates. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.